Prime Minister Narendra Modi is celebrating his 72nd birthday today. On the celebratory occasion, wishes have been pouring in from several dignitaries and politicians from across the globe. There are several events lined up today to celebrate the Prime Minister's birthday. The Meghalaya State BJP unit along with the rest of the nation organized various programs in Shillong today. An exhibition was inaugurated at State Central Library by the President of State BJP unit, Ernest Mauri, in the presence of other party Karyakartas along with BJP MLA A.L. Hek.
29, 30, 31, 32.
So today it is a special day for us. We are wishing to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, a very happy birthday. And we are wishing on behalf of our party from Meghalaya and on behalf of people of our state from Meghalaya. We are very happy to mark and celebrate this birthday of our tall leader and Honorable Prime Minister of India.
Talking to DD News Meghalaya, Hek said that he will meet the defense